Alright, so today we're doing an unboxing and setup video of ExtremeMIST sprayer system. Multiple sprayers available in various sizes, but they all work functionally the same. So we're going to show you how to get this guy set up and use it right away. First off, we're going to open up our box and get our sprayer out. First thing you'll want to do is take the top off the sprayer. That just unscrews right like that. You'll notice that you get a spare nozzle. Now this is a larger nozzle than comes on the sprayer. This is for if you want to use heavier fluids or you need a heavier mist. You can just hang on to that, set it aside until you need it. You also get the little tip sheet here with QR code taking you to various how-to and troubleshooting videos. You may also notice when you take this out that you may see some water in the tube here. That's normal. These were tested when they were built. It's just water, so you're okay. Pro tip, some of the units also have the green Viton seals. These are good for uses we're using an oil-based product. The Viton stands up to oil better than the silicone, but the Viton will work with water just the same. This Viton does cost a little more though, so bear that in mind, but you know your needs. What you'll want to do is fill the bottle here, whatever amount you need, with your liquid. Got one right here. Just going to screw this back on. Make sure this is screwed down nice and snug so that you don't lose any air pressure when you pump it. And then you want to pump this about 12 to 15 times to build up the pressure. And make sure you do that on a firm surface too. You just depress the trigger and you get a nice mist there. Press and slide the thumb lock forward. And now you have an automatic mister system. We'll just keep going. Release the slide lock, shuts off. You can also loosen this tip just in case you need a straight stream. And if you need to depressurize the system when you're done using it, carefully, slowly loosen the top, depressurized, you're all set.